Hey guys, Ed here. Today we have a 2011 Subaru Impreza, and this video I'll show you how to replace your front door panel in this car. This will fit 2008, 2009, 2010 and 2011 Subaru Impreza. So, because I see that somebody was here already, and all the clips, everything, a lot of scratched places around here, and I see that some people might not know how to do this. So I'll make a video how to do this the right way. Okay, so first thing we're gonna do, we have to get our tools. Okay, we're gonna use something like this. Okay, the magnet could work. Need some kind of hook. This is good. Butter knife and flathead screwdriver, Phillips screwdriver. This should be enough, I believe. So first thing you want to do, get the hook, and okay, this one is not that good. I'm gonna get another one. Okay, this one is better. So first thing you want to do, you want to just get in here, but carefully, and carefully open this cover. Okay, and over here another cover, same way, just carefully use the other hand. Just open it. All right, okay, good. Also we need to remove this. Okay, yeah. Okay, there's the clip, this clip right here, and it looks like somebody the previous owner just destroyed it. Yeah, I'm gonna get this thing out now with using the pliers. Okay, get it out, just in case if you lose yours, you can just put them back on like this. Okay, they should hold. Okay, this is good. Just leave this here for now. Yeah, and let's get the screwdriver and unscrew this screw and this screw in here. Okay, so let's do that now. Okay, once we have our two screws out, you can just leave them here, and you might need to get a flathead screwdriver plus some tape. Okay, so I'm using the regular Scotch tape, and I'm gonna put some tape over this so I could remove this trim here without damaging the surface. Okay, so I'm gonna put some tape on it now. Okay, I did put some tape over the screwdriver, and now I'm gonna try to get the handle out. Just get in the hole here and raise it up. Alright, let's go raise it up. There's another one here. I got it out, and okay. For some reason, again, this thing fell off. Just going to put it here back. Like this. Alright. Unplug the connectors. Okay, now over here, what I can see, we have 1, 2 screws, so we'll have to remove these now. Same thing, take a flathead screwdriver and remove these 2 screws. Got 2 screws out. Okay, so next step, what we have to do over here on the bottom. Actually, now we can actually take off the panel, but it's being held by clips all around the perimeter. So in order to take the thing off, you have to locate here. You have a little hole. You have a gap here and a gap here. Okay, so what are we doing? Taking our screwdriver, get it in the hole right here. Just get it in, and this. get it in and unclip the panel from the door. Now, now you just have to use your force to get all the clips out. Like this, alright, not that bad. Now we should be able to take off the panel by raising it up. Let's just raise it up and take it off. Very simple. Right here, right now is being held by the handle. Okay, to remove the handle, just pull here on this, like this, and like this. Okay, and you're all set. Put the panel here for now. Okay, looks very dusty. As you can see, somebody was here before, because it shouldn't look like this. Alright, yeah, well, this is pretty much how we take it off. Let's put it back on now. Yeah, from here you can get to the speaker and the handle, outside handle, the inside handle if you need to replace it. Right here, 2 screws, and it should come out. Right. Okay, so guys, next step, let's put the panel back on. So first thing we're gonna do, we're gonna connect the handle connectors, the handle links. The yellow one goes on top, sorry, yellow one goes on top and the black one goes on the bottom. Okay, so I connected them now. So you just make sure that the ball goes in and then you click this thing. First you put the ball in place, okay, then you click back these 2 plastic pieces. Yeah, next step, let's get our wires through the hole here. Okay, plus we have to make sure we don't forget about this thing. Park it here for now. And now align the clips. Usually I align these clips on the bottom here, and click the panel back in. Okay, I need to put 2 hands, so I'm gonna push you aside. Actually no, first thing we have to do is obviously to get the connector out, then we have to align the top. Okay, just by pressing on it, make sure it's right aligned with the window, and then we should align clips with holes. As you can see over here, the clip goes in and we just tap on it and it goes right in. Same thing all around the perimeter. Okay, good. Actually now we can click this thing back in. Okay. Yes, this is out. This is good. This is aligned. All set. Now let's put our screws back in. So we took 1, 2 and 3 screws. So put them back in now. Okay. Got the screws back in. Now you can actually close this lid here. Take the handle, connect the connectors simply by like this and like this, then click it in. Okay, all set. It should be aligned, there should be no gaps, nothing, and this should be aligned. So the last screw So you put in the last screw, close the lid, and you're all set. So guys, if this helps, press like and have a great day. Bye.